All right, so we're going to take a look at Quizlet. I'm on the home page now. You're going to hit up here, you're going to hit the create button. We'll do something simple. We'll just do animal sounds. This is the title. You can add a description if you want. And you scroll down here, and we'll do cow. Enter the definition, which would be moo. Another one, cat. Meow. Duck. Quack. We'll do one more, dog. Okay. So when you're finished creating, you can also add images if you would like to. Hit create. And then here it is. This is giving you the option to share it. And then you just click on the card to see the other side, which would be the definition. And then you hit next. Next. All right, and those are the flashcards. And then these are the games that you could play. There's match. So if you click on that, you hit start the game. And then you drag. So the cow goes to moo. Cat, meow. Duck, quack. Dog, woof. All right, and you can play it again. Tells you how long it took you, what place you're in, or you could go back. And gravity is another option. All right, so you just type the answer to whichever one is falling. So cat, you type meow. And it scores you. Quack. And so on and so forth. And then over here, if you go back to the home page and you go to sets, you can see all the sets that you have created.